Hello there, this is Noah Parks. I'm here with my checkpoint challenge. I apologize, it is late. I worked quite a bit last week and I dumped a ton of hours into trying to do this, and I just can never really figure it out. So I sent some messages trying to figure it out, and you sent me like a 2 sentence hint, and the assignment was really that simple. And I just could not figure it out for whatever reason. You sent me that. It took me probably 60 seconds for that whatever I was missing to click in my head. I don't know what it was, but I finally got it. So here we've got 5 checkpoints in our main starting checkpoint, our default one. On our event graph, we just have level set to start. Yes, you can set it to start. And then I have set start and spawn. It's going to set it to itself. And then our construction script, we have the same thing where it changes it, or where we run our function in the construction script. So we see it update and it changes it as soon as we change it, not when we load into the game. It changes it in the editor. So we go into our code here. We made a variable called actorref. It's an we set actorref to get a variable, and then we set actorref to whatever self is. We also made it instance editable. I made it instance editable so that way I could tell if it was working, and maybe we could change it if need be. Then it checks, is level start true or false? If it's true, then we're going to get all actors of BP checkpoint. We're going to run it through the array, and then the array is checking is it equal to actorref, so is it equal to whatever you have checked as the actorref in the box. Right now we have it set to self. If it is equal to, it's going to return true, and it's going to set level start to true. And it has to be the same element array that's going into here being true. It's going to here because it's getting a reference from the element array target. And you see this one's set to true right now here, and then we go this one set to true. That one's now false. Here, true. That one's now false here. True, that one's now false, and one more here. True. Now that one's false, that one's false, that one's false, that one's false, that one's false. And now we'll set this first one to true, and we are going to run our code. You see we're initializing our test. I made a ton of checkpoints just to ensure that I was doing it right. So it's changing it all around. It's got one more test to do. As you can see, we get test complete. Once again, Professor, thank you very much for the help with the assignment, and I apologize for it being late.